Thank you guys all for coming. I am Chef Charles, and I come all the way from LA. So I'm here to share with you guys some recipes, some inspiration, and just talk about all that good stuff. Has anyone tried to make nut milks at home? I used to make it at home and it was like very messy, to be honest. I made a mess. But now there's actually a solution and there's something even better. So it's the NutraMilk. It's a machine, it's so awesome. So I'm gonna be able to make some fresh nut milks from this. I'm gonna make nut butter first. So this machine is very, very fantastic because it has a filter built in. Press butter and then I'm gonna press start. You wanna press it? Press, boom! So the reason why I'm using the coconut water is because it's high in electrolytes and also has a natural sweetener. And then we're gonna blend it. You guys are gonna see this turn into literally milk right here. So look at that. So it's gonna blend everything and there's like a nice little filter and you're gonna get fresh cashew milk. So now that this is done, you guys know how easy it is to make your own nut milks at home. It's amazing. So I have some cashews in here. We're gonna blend this up like earlier. You don't want it to be too thick. You want it to be a nice consistency. It's almost like a pesto, a nice sauce. You guys can use this for pastas. You guys can use this for dipping sauces.